I've made no secret of it that the Caudabe Sheath is one of my favourite cases for the iPhone. But Caudabe have sent me something which is supposedly better, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, what I have for you today is this. This is the synthesis case from Caudabe. Now, I love the Caudabe Sheath, right? As you can see, it's on my phone. I am changing constantly between colours at the minute with the Sheath, but Caudabe sent me this as well. And this is a case I didn't try last year, but when I see people talking about it online, people say that it wasn't as good as the Sheath last year and you know, that kind of thing. So I've had chats with the guys at Caudabe and they have said that the synthesis this year is just as good, if not better, than the Sheath. That's some big words. So let's check it out. The synthesis for the 14 Pro Max in black. So let's get a look at it. So first impressions, the synthesis has a very unique camera bump compared to the Sheath. I mean, the Sheath is very low key and minimalistic. This is very much more pronounced. And while the Sheath is like a grippy texture on this, this is still a textured feel, but this is like a hard plastic. And then on the inside, again, minimalist perfection from Caudabe. We have the serial number here, genuine Caudabe product made with shock light. They're shock absorbing material. And yeah, I mean, first impressions, it feels good. Like it's a stiff, rigid case. Now, let's just take the Sheath off the iPhone here, just to compare. So there's a bit more flex in the Sheath than there is in the synthesis. The synthesis is a lot more rigid, and camera bump is a lot more pronounced on the synthesis. But the synthesis has something that the Sheath doesn't, which I think I really like. At the side here, we have this sort of perforated textured grip, and I really like it. It's really grippy. I like the feel of this. So, you know, while this is a bit softer material, which is still, it is still one of my top cases. But before we do anything, let's just check the weight of it. So, comparing it to the Caudabe Sheath, the Sheath is 51 grams, and the synthesis is 43. So it's lighter than the Sheath. Interesting. Let's get the phone out. Let's try it. It's got that real good fit that the Sheath has. I'm not gonna lie, that's really good. I thought it would be slippier, you know, just sort of judging by that sort of hard plastic material, but it's really not. And that textured grip at the side is definitely a game changer. That's really, really good. And then we have a great lip up over the display, which I absolutely love. And then that camera bump at the back. It's different. I will be honest, it is different, but the camera lenses are more than well protected. I'll be honest, I don't mind it. I really don't. I don't mind it at all. You're definitely going to be protected, and you know, the screen's not going to touch, which is really, really good. I really like this. No, my beloved Sheath. Damn it, Caudabe. Giving me a choice to make here. Magsafe Test. You know the drill, guys. Magsafe Test. So if the phone can pick up the weight of this stand without dropping it or shaking it loose very easily, it's decent. And if the stand can hold the weight of the phone and not drop it easily, it's good. It passes my Magsafe Test. So let's give it a go. Now, I will say the MagSafe magnets on the Sheath has been one of the things that Caudabe have really upgraded this year. I hope they're as good on this. I really do. Oh, and they are. Oh my rip, that is brilliant. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Caudabe, what have you done to me? I was happy with the Sheath. What are you doing to me? Look at this. Oh no. How am I going to choose between these two cases? I think it's safe to say that passed with flying colours. Ah, oh, Caudabe, what are you doing to me? This is not cool. What do you guys think of the synthesis? I'm going to be honest. I thought I would struggle to find a case better than the Sheath this year, but this is just as good. And that hard plastic just makes it feel a little bit more rugged and a little bit more robust, if that makes sense. You know, like this is a softer material. I'm pretty sure if I dropped it on something hard enough or rough enough, I would scuff it up or take chunks out of it. I don't even think I could probably scrape this thing. It's like the Sheath on steroids. Here, I would be complaining if I didn't have good cases to choose from. So what can I say? Yeah, fantastic. What do you guys think of the synthesis? Let me know in the comments down below. This is hands down up there with the Sheath, and the Caudabe have hit it out of the park this year with their cases. Top marks. Caudabe, your synthesis and your Sheath are definitely in my top 5 cases this year, and the Pro Max has only been out a month. Price will be right here, and as always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. If you want to pick one of these up using an affiliate link, it doesn't cost you guys any more, but it does help support the channel. So if you do, thanks for your support, really appreciate it. That about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So I'm going to go. Keep it locked to the channel, guys. There's tons more content coming. There's going to be loads more cases for the 14 Pro Max if they haven't dropped already. If they have, I'll leave you links in the description below if you want to go and check out those other case videos. And yeah, keep it locked. There'll be 14 plus content coming, 14 Pro Max review, long-term review coming. So stay locked to the channel for that, guys. And as always, if you want down-to-earth tech videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.